Well, hello everyone and welcome. Hey guys, glad you could join me again for another great video. This is how I keep you guys informed. I just wanted to make a real quick video about a 2-day sale that is happening right now at Harbor Freight. That's right, a 2-day sale. This is not going to be a very long video. I'm just going to cover this main point. A lot of you guys have been asking me over the past few months, when are we going to have a 20% off coupon or the elusive 25% off coupon? Will that ever come back? Well, you guys lucked out. You're getting both of them in one shot. You're getting a 20% off coupon and a 25% off coupon all in one shot. And if you're smart, you can take advantage of them in these 2 days, Wednesday, July 31st and August 1st. That's it, 2 days in the middle of the week. Isn't that fantastic? They make it super hard for you to get to the store and get this stuff. They make it super hard for you to take advantage of these coupons because they're only valid in store. It says right there, valid in store and in stock items only. Not online, in store only. See right there up here. In store only. So if you can take time off from work and go during your lunchtime, or go maybe early in the morning or late in the afternoon, either way, you can take advantage of these coupons and save yourself some good money. So you can take off $10 off anything $50 or more. That turns out to be 20% off. So there you go. Now, here is the kicker, where again, it really makes me chuckle that Harbor Freight thinks people are really that dumb. Of course, some people really are that dumb, but you guys aren't because you watch my channel, and that's why you stay informed, and I give you all the best information possible. $25 off $100 or more. They're hoping that you will spend the or more. Because see, $25 off $100, what is that? Simple math, 25% off coupon. There you go. You spend $100, yeah, you can spend 101, 102, whatever. It's still 25% off. It's still 25 bucks off. But what they're hoping you'll do is you'll spend 150, 200, 300, 400, whatever it is that you want to spend. But don't be a fool. Don't be gypped by that. It's only 25 bucks, not 25%. So the minute you pass the 100 mark, the 25% starts going lower and lower and lower. So it's only 25% off if you stay around the $100 mark. The minute you start going above that, it drops down to 20%, 15%, 10%, etc. You get the general idea, right? So the more you spend, the worse it is for you in this case. It is not a good idea to spend a lot of money. This one, it's not a big deal because it limits you to 50 bucks or more. Obviously, 50, again, if you go between 55 and 100, then it starts dropping to below 20%. You see, that's the catch-all right there. You got to stay within the money that they give you. If you go 50 to 55 bucks, you're fine. You're fine. That's not a big deal. I realize you can't spend $49.99, and I realize you're not going to spend $50.50 or $51. That's really hard to do. But if you can do, if your item is $49.99 or $49 and you can buy an extra item that's $1 or $2 more, that will take care of it right there. It says limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in-store and in-stock items only. $10 discount valid on any qualifying purchase of $50 or more, or $25 discount valid on any qualifying purchase of $100 or more after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. So it doesn't say it has to be on one item. It can be on multiple items as long as you stay at 50 bucks or you stay at about 100 bucks. So anything around there, you'll be perfectly fine. So try to keep it around 50 bucks and you can get yourself 20% off. Try to keep it at around 100 bucks and you can get yourself 25% off. So there you got it. They try to fool you into spending a lot more money. They want you to go between 50 and 100, and then they want you to go 100 and above. That way, the 20% drops further and the 25% drops further. But I'm here to help you out and take care of you guys, and that's one great reason to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That way you stay informed of the latest and greatest stuff going on at Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's, any place else that I can find to save you guys some money. And I explain it in great detail so you get the most out of the offers instead of just walking in and getting fooled into spending a lot more money than what you really should. If you're going to spend more money, save it for another sale. Try right now to take advantage of these two numbers right here. $10 off or $25 off. That'll get you the best savings at the best deal. So take advantage of it, guys. Hopefully, some of you guys can get into the stores and take advantage of it on Wednesday or Thursday. I am putting this out on Tuesday afternoon, so therefore you can still take advantage of it for those 2 days. It is good for 2 days, so that means you can go back more often if you want to do that. You're not restricted. It only says 1 coupon per person per day. You can go to multiple stores and you can go multiple times and still take advantage of it. If you have 5 stores around you, you can hit all 5 stores and still take advantage of it. And you don't have to give them your phone number when you're at the register, okay? I realize some people are going to say, well, they keep track of how many purchases I make. You don't have to give them your phone number. You can just walk in and say, no, I'm not giving it to you. And they're going to ring you up. Trust me, they're still going to take your money, regardless of whether you give them your phone number or not. So be smart. Take advantage of it. I realize some of you guys at the stores are really far away. You may not be able to do that as much, and you may not be able to make it in to take advantage of these deals. But for those of you that can, get in there, take advantage of it, and save yourself some money. So there you go, guys. A real short video just to inform you that this sale is going on right now. You can take this coupon right here off this video. There's the coupon code right here at the bottom. You can take advantage of that and go to the store and get it right away. Take advantage of it. Or if you want to, I will put this on my community tab on my YouTube channel, and that way you can take advantage from there. Just copy down the coupon code, print it out, call it up on your phone, whatever you need to do. I'll put it on my community tab, and that way you can take advantage of it. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button if you want to stay informed. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.